Ciao Tesla people. Today we're going to do the Supercharger talk number 26. We are not charging this time, but I wanted to do a video because Tesla AI posted something really interesting on Twitter, okay, on X. So they basically posted a roadmap from September to the first quarter of 2025. And it basically is a roadmap of FSD, the various releases, new features, and the location of where FSD will be released. Okay, so let's go through this tweet. Let me check again. Okay, so here on September 2024. They will release FSD version 12.5.2 with 3x improvement, with 3x improved miles between necessary intervention. That means they increased the 300%, the improvement for intervention, okay, which is great. Then version 12.5.2 on AI3, which is hardware 3 computer. So they unify the models between hardware 4 and hardware 3. So they call it AI3 and AI4. Then they will release actual Smart Summon. So Smart Summon is basically with your phone you can move your car in a parking lot. Okay, so it can come to you and so on. Now this is part of FSD. It's not clear if it's coming to Europe too. We'll see when it's going to be released. Cybertruck will get auto park, eye tracking with sunglasses. So here on top, here there is a camera, and FSD will use that camera to see that you are paying attention to the road or that your hands are closer to the wheel. So they will use that eye tracking with sunglasses, which is interesting how they're going to do it. I guess the position of the head, I don't know. And then they will have end-to-end network on highway, which I'm not clear what is this. I don't know. And then the Cybertruck FSD will be released. So everybody that has a Cybertruck will get FSD, which is great. Now in October, so they will release unpark, park, and reverse in FSD. So FSD will be able to park, unpark, and do reverse. Interesting. And then there will be a release of version 13 of FSD with 6x improved miles between necessary interventions. So this 6x, basically 600% of improvements between miles. I don't know if this 6x is based on the current FSD or based on the September, which had a 3x. So we have to wait. Now the two ones that are very interesting, FSD. So for the first quarter of 2025, FSD will be released in China and they're pending regulation approval, okay? And FSD will be released in Europe and pending regulation approval, okay? So we'll have to wait for Q1, I'm not sure which month, to have FSD in Europe. Hopefully at the beginning of the quarter, maybe January, February. I hope they will do the 1 month free FSD as a trial, so we can test it here in Europe. It will be great. So Tesla, if you're listening, please do that. And the other thing that I'm interested in is Smart Summon. We don't know yet if it will be available here in Europe. As you know, when you do an update, now you will get FSD here, even in location where FSD is not available by regulation. You'll get the code, but it will not be enabled. So Smart Summon is part of this FSD package. So we don't know if it's going to be enabled in Europe when it's going to be released, part of FSD, or is a feature that is included in the FSD, and so we have to wait for regulation. I hope not, but my suspicion is going to be waiting for FSD available in Europe in the first quarter of 2025. Okay, so this is a very interesting tweet by Tesla AI. Elon Musk even commented a bunch of stuff, and they just did it this morning, I think. Let me check. Yeah, it was today, September at 1:30 a.m. So it's pretty interesting. So everybody are talking about it. Hopefully we'll get these updates as soon as possible, and hopefully we can test Smart Summon here in Europe, and then we know that FSD is coming first quarter of 2025, and pending, of course, European regulation. And probably after that, maybe there will be country regulation too. I don't know about that. So we'll see how it goes. In the meantime, please subscribe to the channel, put a like, turn on notifications, share it, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.